Combustible gas detection alarms are vital for industrial safety, detecting gases like hydrogen, methane, and propane. Regular calibration ensures their accuracy and reliability. Calibration gas standards. Use a standard gas matching the type being measured. If unspecified, propane or isobutane is commonly used. Calibration principles. Most detectors use catalytic combustion sensors. These sensors detect temperature changes from gas combustion, producing signals proportional to gas concentration. Preparation before calibration. Ensure the detector's explosion-proof rating matches the environment. Check for contaminants like phosphorus or sulfur that can affect sensor performance. Avoid exposing sensors to excessively high gas concentrations during calibration. Calibration process. 1. Connect the certified calibration gas to the detector's sampling inlet. 2. Set the gas flow rate to approximately 500 milliliters per minute. 3. Allow the detector to stabilize and observe its output. 4. Adjust the detector's response to align with the known concentration of the calibration gas. Regular calibration of combustible gas detectors is essential to maintain safety and operational efficiency in industrial settings.